Ka Lumpung ni Lehkai basketball ka penyaj da ka Ribhoi Basketball Association Hamadan Basketball jong ka Saint Paul Higher Secondary School Nongpo kalapoi no shkabakun katay ka Lumpung layo ka jingi trelang bat ka Meghalaya Basketball Association ka State Youth Basketball Championship na kabenta gi kena apo kan riusnam bat ka balane South ngi lenter kaday shibenta na ka Jingthmu jong ka Meghalaya Basketball Association ban Kyntiew ka jingi Lehkai basketball nadu ki kerdan badang red karta bad ban penkre ki Samla Donsap Kiba ban Mihkhmat ya ka jela ki Rynsan national ban international haki senam ban wan kajingi kun nam ladu kalalong ka basongshin hapadang ka Onyx persha ka Saint Anthony School Shillong hakaba ka Onyx kala penliam no ka Saint Anthony's dan riu popra la riu sau basket bad kala kursendon ya ka nam ladu katba hakajingi kun jongki kenthei ka Saint Mary's kalalong kum kaladu hadin bakala penliam no ya ka kenhun Onyx. Menteri katanat ki kami Lehkai ka Sarkar jela uba wailat miki shilla uba deiru presiden jongka Meghalaya Basketball Association ula penhap perdano rengkat ke jing saki do MLA ka nongpo uba Meral Bonds im ka kongrona kemdeng ka badai ke MDC jongka nongpo u Deputy Commissioner ka Ribhoi District u Dr. Abhishek Saini u Giri Prasad Ubadai Superintendent of Police Ribhoi District, kinongilam ka Meghalaya Basketball Association, uba J. Marbanyang, bat uba James M. Bamon, uba Johnny Lee Lamare, President ka RBDBA, uba B. Marbanyang, General Secretary, Nalor Kiwaipan.
Sports department has become one of the key department in the state of Meghalaya. Just to tell you, to inform you how it was in the past. Just I will take nearly 7 to 8 years back. The annual budget of sports department 7 to 8 years ago was nearly 40 crores annually. But in this recent year, we have seen huge jump, and this year's annual sport budget in our state is 844 crores. So that itself shows that government has prioritized sports and especially youths. Now Meghalaya, it is one of the state who is investing. Last time I was in the conference of all the sports minister in the country, and they were so surprised to know that a small state like Meghalaya today is building the biggest football stadium in the country right now. And not only that, we have been investing, and we have a dream that Meghalaya should produce an Olympian by 2032. So that's why we have a star program where we have appointed 2 Olympians from Australia who have been scouting all over the state. They have screened almost close to 50,000 of our youth in our state, and we have chosen almost 30 of them in the super elite program where they will be trained. Their diet will be looked after. They will be properly screened by the use of the technology. And just to inform you all that in the recent year, our performance was not so well in different championship or tournament. Last year in the Khelo India Tribal Game, we finished 29th in ranking all over the country. But because of all this effort and initiative from the government, I am so happy to inform you that this year in the Khelo India Tribal Game, we ranked 13th. From 29 to 13th. So it is a huge jump, and I am confident that by next year, we will finish in the top 5. So, and as you all know that we are not stopping, we are moving ahead, and we have invested so much in different sports and especially in football. As you all know, like I've already mentioned, that we are building the biggest football stadium, and we have the Chief Minister grassroots football program, and then because of this effort, as you all know, that in the recently concluded I-League, which is the top tier football tournament in the country, our very own Shillong Lajong finished second. So it is a big thing, and not only that, the most valuable player is from Shillong Lajong, who is from Meghalaya. So that shows that we have talent, and not only in boys, but as you all know that Sanfida Nongrum was the most valuable player in the South Asia Football Federation tournament in the recently concluded. So this shows that we are moving ahead, and we are so fortunate, and I must thank our Chief Minister, because this is World Cup season. We are all staying up late watching our favorite team supporting, and as you all know that Meghalaya, the Chief Minister Football Fan Park feature in the FIFA official website. So even FIFA saw our effort and our initiative. So definitely I'm here today not only as a sport minister, but also as the president of the Meghalaya Basketball Association. It is the basketball grow, because I was also a basketball player during my school days. I have represented Northeastern region twice from JNV. So I really like to see that Meghalaya also should grow in basketball. So that's why we are investing so much, especially from Meghalaya Games and others, and we are coming up with more infrastructure, especially the basketball court. So I hope that with this support, we will see that more and more of our athletes will come, our players will come forward. And as you all know that next year is a very important year for all of us, where Meghalaya will host the 39th edition of the national game. So to motivate you, to encourage you to work harder, because we all know that moreover you want to bring laurels, you want to make our state proud. At the same time, we want your family to support you, which is not, I would say that in the past, because there is very less future or job security in sports. That's why, which is lacking in the past. So that's why, as you all know, that we have passed the Meghalaya Outstanding Direct Appointment Policy recently, where whoever will bring medal in national game, South Asian game, Olympics or Paralympics, you will be given directly a government job. No need of exam, no need of request or anything. You bring medal, you will get a government job. And we have proved that by handing over the first appointment letter recently to Punshngan Kurba, who won a medal in the last national game. So I will urge you all, work hard, and especially we also from the Basketball Association, we will push and we will support and we will see that Meghalaya should perform well in the in the upcoming national games. So with these few words, all the very best to each and everyone, especially to the finalists. This is just the beginning.